Hi there. In this video I'm just going to show you sequential numbering, another tool in the ArcGIS Pro toolbox. And so here under attributes again, sequential numbering. Now the thing about this is, of course, you could do like a calculate field and just update through some VB arcade or Python or straight SQL. You know, you can generate your numbering however you wish. The thing about this is a sort of geography numbering, in terms of you can kind of set the order of the features by the order of your selection. So I'll just demonstrate what I mean by that. So here, let's have the start value of 1 and increment by 2. So let's say this is the odd side of the street. So really this needs to be 1, sort of 3, 5 and 7 sort of thing. You can see it's part of the modify features tool. So it is asking for a selection to happen through, and actually I'm going to use a line. So I'm going to click up here and just basically just draw a line all the way through. And you can see what's happened here. It's gone 1, 3, 5 and 7. So it's done my sequential numbering, and that's great. And yeah, I could have done it through arcade or something like that, but it is based on the selection. So if I undo this, if I discard those changes, you can see the updated attribute table down there, by the way. If I just discard those, and then I'm going to sort of do it the other way around. So I'm going to start from the bottom and just click up. And it started from my last character, first of all, last number. So it's gone from 17, actually it was 17, anyway, whatever it was. But the point is it's climbed up. So if I just, let's do that again. Let's go from to, let's say this is the even side of the street. Go 2 and increment 2. So this one down here will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, double click and there you go, 2, 4, 6, 8. And you could have more sort of complicated sort of setup. So let's do sort of one of those. Let's just discard those changes. We'll do it clear. And let's say we're not in this, number 1 has a sort of house name or something, so I'm not really interested in that. But maybe there's a whole street, you see, that you want to make sure is in order. Because you can see in here in object IDs, you see how the object ID doesn't actually match up with the address. So object ID 1, which is that one up there, and then object ID 2 actually has address 4, and you kind of could be thrown if you used object IDs, you see. So address is key on working this out. So let's just do 2, 3 and 4, and yeah, it started at 10 because the last one was 8, wasn't it? So we'll start at we'll say this is number 1 actually. So let's say 1, and then it'll be 3 and 5. So that's how we're going to do it. So we'll go sort of, you know, sort of straight through there. 1, 3 and 5. So there you go. I hope you find that useful. Thank you.